Fords and four-wheel drive repairs go together like Fords and setting timing. If you have the right tools, the job's pretty straightforward. And if you're replacing front axles in F250 Super Duties and larger, you need the right tool to get the axle seal reinstalled correctly. A loose axle seal means a leaking hub, which means you have to do the job again. Of course, Ford made 3 different sized hub seals, so for your sake, we made 3 installers to seat the seal properly. $66.97 covers the most common seal replacements in 2005 and newer F250 and F350 4x4s with a vacuum-operated front axle. For 2005 and newer F450 and F550 trucks, we made the $66.98. And for your classic Fords, 2004 and older, we made $66.95, covering F250 up to F550 series. Reduce comebacks with the right seal installer, so you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.